How to appeal in PayPal case. Go to the PayPal website and log into your account with your email and password. Access the Resolution Center. From your dashboard or account menu, find the section labeled Closed Cases to locate the claim you want to appeal. Click on Report a Problem, then select the specific case from the list. If the Appeal button is available, click on it to start your appeal process. Note that you have only 10 days after the case closes to file an appeal. Prepare new and relevant information or evidence that was not provided in the original claim to support your appeal, such as shipping details, tracking information, or correspondence. Submit your appeal with all necessary documents and details clearly presented to help PayPal review your case again. Be sure to respond promptly to any requests from PayPal for additional information during the appeal review. If you do not see the appeal option or your appeal is denied, consider contacting PayPal customer support directly for further assistance or clarification. Remember, appeals are only considered if new valid information is provided, and the process must comply with PayPal's official policies and deadlines. Subscribe.